Now, next industry that we have picked up is the jute textile industry. You see, this jute textile industry is actually in a very doldrum state. We have to make efforts to see that this industry actually grows. Which category does it fall into? The jute textile industry, it falls in the category of agro-based industries. Now, government had to take certain measures to actually improve the condition of the jute textile industry in India. As I said, it almost seems like a dying industry here. There are many factors which are responsible, but we must first look at the factors which the government has initiated in order to give boost to the jute textile industry. The first and the foremost, of course, is the implementation of National Jute Policy in the year 2005, by which they resorted to all measures wherein the production of jute actually increased in India. So, this was like a framework required for strengthening this weak industry, followed by better quality jute, they said, is required to be produced in India so that it has a great demand. Next is higher yield should be taken out from the land, besides better price should be given to the farmers so that they get a boost for growing jute in India. You see, earlier jute was a very important industry, but later on, due to use of synthetic fibers, because the availability of low quality of jute, all this started declining. Therefore, the government had to resort to all these measures, but we see that Hooghly Basin still stands as the center of jute textile industry in India. As we have seen in the previous clippings also, that every industry has a certain center because of various factors. Now, let us see why Hooghly Basin has become a center for jute textile industry. The first, of course, is it has to be close to the raw material which is available, and Hooghly Basin is in close proximity to the jute producing areas of India. Second is inland water transport system which is there, that is the inexpensive water transport is available in this part of India thanks to Damodar and its tributaries. Next is, not only does it have water transport, but an excellent road and railway transport. So, which makes it easy for the final products to be transported and the raw material also to be brought in. This place also stands near to Kolkata port, which means again excellent location for any industry, and here cheap labor is easily available for processing jute. So, all that which is required for increasing the efficiency of an industry is available in Hooghly Basin for the jute textile industry. Therefore, it has become an excellent location for this industry. I continue with it in the next clipping.